Hello, welcome back to another episode of Building the Ladder. There's a lot of stuff going on over there, a lot of physical lifting and sawing, but I wanted to get into another, form of construction that I enjoy, which is the construction of good design. One of the most integral parts of any project is the name, and for a while we were batting around different names for this thing. I would say that right now we're like 95% sold on the ladder. We all had this spreadsheet at one point, and we all just put whatever name ideas we had on it. So at a certain point we were trying to decide between a certain number of names. I'll read them out to you. We have Snakes and Ladders, Evil Inc., Career Killer, Kicked Up the Stairs, Sharp and Suits, Mean Business, Cutthroat Corporate, Crooks and Ladders, Capital Crimes, The Climb, My Mind Cyrus, Capital Games, The Bottom Line, The Mogul, The Corporate Theory, The Blueprint, The Unbalanced Sheet, Profit and Lies, Gross Profits, Executive License, The Body is Corporate, The Price of Promotion, Snake Oil and Ladders, The Academy, The Pyramid, Obelisk Corp Inc., Corporation, Megacorp, The Eye, The Stain Suit, White Collars, Big Lies, Green Dollars, Blue Skies. It's a little long for a handle, but I like on. A Sweet Seat in the C-Suite, The Conspiracy Theory, Malware Corp, The Mariposa Effect, Career Criminal, The Mad Ladder, Killer Corporate, Cookie Ladder, I See You, The Pyramid Scheme, and question mark. Just, the actual name would be a question mark. I think right now we're just going with the ladder. Now, as far as a logo and a branding for this, we have 100 million ideas. Probably not exaggerating. At first we were talking about Terry made this little mock-up, which is take on the Office theme. Fun, it's a little basic, he said. It's not my words, it's his. So the other day though, we had just a big burst of creativity. It all started with Jared sending me a picture from across the street on a bus stop of a TV show Homecoming. This is kind of a, homage to Vertigo. Not kind of, it is. But it got us thinking kind of along these lines. It's a fun little design thing we could use. So Terry, with his big, wonderful computer, came up with this. It features a very nice ladder with a swirly effect and a man going, "Ah!" It was my turn. I took that, and I kind of put my own spin on it. So we have here my first little take on that effect. They call this the watermelon. I think that's a little disingenuous. I think it has a lot more to offer than just the fruit. While I was playing with this, I was kind of thinking, well, yeah, but what if we only had one color and we wanted to maybe put this on a shirt? So I got this. This is my 1-bit version, and they really liked this black with a circle there, which led to their next design. This goes on and on. To this. This is mostly what we're working with right now. It's sexy, it's sleek, and it's Vertigo-ish still, but in a bit of a James Bondy way too. They started to play with different people. What if you had 5 different posters with 5 different characters? And so they were starting to go over to this, and they were having, this girl and this girl and that. We had an idea where maybe at the end of a photo op for this room, we would actually get people in a green room area, and we would take a picture from the top, and we would go ah, and we would pretend like they're falling, and then put the background behind them and recreate the poster with them. I don't know if we're going to do that. Maybe we will. It'd be fun. But you get the picture. We're coming up with every sort of Photoshoppy idea known to man, and it's been really, really fun. It's a validating experiment to throw so many things literally at the wall and see what sticks, and a lot of it does. And it's a supportive environment. We're all supporting each other's ideas and saying, that's cool, but what if we did this too? None of us are shooting each other down, which is cool. If you enjoyed this, again, keep following these, like and subscribe and all that. And if you want to do Lab Rat downstairs, I am again going to offer this discount code to you. The discount code for 10% off is Will is Cool. Keep tuning in. Later. Snakes and Ladders, fun. Evil Inc., clever. Career Killer, Kicked Up the Stairs. Sharp in a Suit, Mean Business, Cutthroat Corporate. Crooks and Ladders, Capital Crimes. The Climb, by Miley Cyrus. Capital Games, The Bottom Line, The Mogul, The Corporate Theory, The Blueprint. The Unbalanced Sheet, Profit and Lies, Gross Profit.